The NSE pretty much flat on Friday. A lot of year-end results expected by banks coming out this month, but there seems to be a lot of investors holding back because there could be more provisions for those bad loans coming out in those results this month. Is that why the market is pretty much flat?
You're spot on that. Truly, there's been a lot of stagnation in the market right now since the second half of February. Till date, there's been a lot of resistance in many of the banking stocks and pretty much some of the food and beverage and conglomerate stocks. But most especially, if you look at the top 10, the most capitalized, top 10 most capitalized stocks on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, they've been trading near flat. Like last week, I mean, for you to have had the index trading flat that way is as a result of marginal gains from Access Bank. Access Bank was up 4.51%. UBA was also up marginally. But the other stocks, the 8 other stocks, either traded lower or flat. So this stagnation, you continue to see it week on week, and we believe this will still continue until we see news coming into the market. There are two information that could move the market right now: either the AMC, the news that the AMC will be passed into law, or the results that are coming out from the banks. But I tell you, these are interesting times. March, April, these are going to be turning points for the Nigerian stock market.
Tayo, that AMC is a very big issue. As we spoke earlier, some confusion in the market, and investors seem to be quite jittery as to whether that AMC is actually going to come into effect.
I tell you this, as of Friday, the Senate, the CBN released a newsletter which stated that there was just a minor issue. The Senate, the AMC bill had gone through the first reading. At the second reading, the Senate wanted a financial compendium, a financial reason why the Nigerian government should be putting money into the AMC. Now, there are very good reasons why the federal government should be putting money. The Ministry of Finance and the CBN putting money into the AMC. Good reasons and also profitable reasons to the institutions too. So I believe that at the next reading at the Senate, I believe that we will see positive information that will stream into the market. Possibly, the AMC will be passed into law.
And just looking at other broader issues, the interbank rate at its lowest level, but still a lot of people seem skeptical that this will actually improve lending between banks.
I tell you this, by and large, this would increase, this would improve lending between banks. But what is most needed right now is lending to the real sector of the economy, which drives the growth of the economy. If money comes, if liquidity is increased in the market right now, we will see a lot of money streaming into the stock market. We'll see a lot of money streaming into consumer pockets. Look at prices of food and things. There are so many things that will be affected. But I think that as much as possible, this is a very good initiative, and I think it is well taken by the public.